Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are working on the PubSub, and I will to implement the auto reconnect to the WebSocket service when it's disconnect by any reason, by internet, maybe network disconnect or a server disconnect, some kind of reason. We need to implement a reconnect. So let's get started. Open PubSub. The first thing we need to open on my editor. I'm using WebStorm, and really cool tool for me and really fast for development. Okay, so we have two folders as usually. Client for building client and server side is WebSocket server. And change to server and npm run dev. Change to client npm start. So the server is ready and client ready. Now I'm going to client and open this folder. Let's see this file and open it in my browser. Now you can see it's work on console. I'm changed a little bit in my console. You can see much better. So we got new just like a look at the client. So we default we make a tag. So make a tag for connect to the server with WebSockets, and we connect default and reconnect to. But reconnect we are working today in this video, and we got the topic name is ABC and client supplier new topic name, and when we got a message we see a message in the console, and public a new topic, and also broadcast. Now you see a message from hello subscriber body, and I'm going to open same web page in Google Chrome. Now you can see it in the console. You should see new message because on console. Right, so open console in Google Chrome as well. Now you should see message. Now I'm clear on Firefox and clear on because you know we made a window ps PubSub equals the PubSub class. So that means we can access directly on so ps dot supply dot public a new method a new topic ABC with body hello there. Now you should see a method on Firefox and Chrome. Once again, I want to do insert a broadcast, only broadcast. So only broadcast, that means we send to all subscriber. However, I don't want to receive myself public message. So you can see it is only from the Firefox. Once again, now I'm refresh this. Now you should see the Firefox. Okay, so problem A. So maybe another reason or what kind and any kind of reason. So network stop working. For example, now I want to test now reconnect. This is the top server equals stop. Now you should see a message connection is closed and bars on Firefox and closed. This means now you see and send is no happen no work, and again I will start up again server and now clear up on my browser and Firefox. We send it nothing happen in my Firefox and my Chrome, or even the public is doesn't work as well. Public is doesn't work, no matter to receive. So that is why I want you to automatically reconnect. So get back to our index file. Now I'm going to do the reconnect. So need to do some kind of reason, some kind of variable need to store this dot either reconnecting equal 4. So default is a reconnecting equal 4. Okay, so that's. And another way I'm going to do in my server side, I want to use a public. When we do add a new to subscriber new client, I do need to set him only one time for subscribe. Do not subscribe map to multiple times. So let's see a subscription, and when we add it, it should go like this. Okay, so want to do like this, need to find the subscription with same type equal WS. If he is already subscribed, client ID is subscribed, so we don't need to subscribe anymore. So here we do like this by cars find subscription with client ID. So in your production, you don't have to name this variable like me. I just want to make this for you better understand. So we can do by this dot subscription. Maybe you don't need to dot subscription dot filter, or even the file. Just file once only with subscription subscription dot client ID client ID equal client ID. It's exactly client ID, and trace equal it should be subscription dot type equal exactly type from parameter trace. No. So if this first client ID, this means exists and no need add more subscription error. So we I don't think we mentioned error. We can do by return right here dot find subscription client ID dot ID. It should be exactly the same thing. And after get a return, it's no more this word. It's okay. So this is the way. Cool. So okay, so let's call up this. We don't need it anymore. Now I'm going to implement on client reconnecting. Let's do on in function connect. I am going to make a new function e. This that's a binding function. This reconnect equal this dot reconnect dot bind this connect this dot connect dot bind this. Okay, so it's the binding function. Binding. Keep it short. Okay, so I'm going to create more function e. So it's on the top of function connect reconnect. So this will do now implement reconnect. So when we call to reconnect, so I'm going to set this if this dot either reconnecting, we return. We do nothing. If y is it, so y doing reconnect. Okay, if either reconnecting, so do nothing. And otherwise, now we need to call to this dot connect. again, and this dot is the reconnecting equal true. So when we call to a function reconnect, it should be called to a connect. So this is the way we are going to do when connection equal error. So for example, now I'm going to stop my server, and you should see a new message. Oh, okay, sorry, I need refresh my Firefox. You should see unable connect to the server and connection is cloud. So these two kind of functions we need to do implement auto reconnect. So for now, let's do this by this dot reconnect, and we also implement right here this dot reconnect. Okay, so reconnect, this dot reconnect, and so the function reconnect dot connect. And I think we do it in this dot connect if it's already connected. So we don't do anything. If it's connect, reconnect or sorry, it's a connect, do nothing. So when we call it, I'm going to make a new console here. We can do reconnecting. Right. Yes. So for now, let's one again. I'm going to start my server, and you can see now. Let's again see this connect. Okay, successfully. And I want to clear up my console, as you can see better. Now I'm going to stop server side by command hit Control C on my stop. So you should see reconnect, enable connect, and reconnecting. Connection equal. Again, now clear. Okay. Now you should see a gone again, connect equal code. Clear this again. Now I don't need to refresh, it should be a call to function reconnect. Now I'm going to start again server side. Now you should see a new message. I cleared up my console. And again, come on. It's yes, connected to the server side. It's connected. But problem is, for now, let's try to public any. Okay, so now on my Google Chrome, I refresh again. Now it should work. Public it should work, but however in Firefox we do nothing but a ps window.ps public new methods to room abc method should be hi Chrome. So you should see a new method on Chrome. Work. Chrome it work because we are refresh the browser. But on the Firefox, it doesn't work. Now I'm going to public a new method on Chrome, and we don't see any on Firefox because when reconnecting, but we call to a function when it's surprise after it's connect successfully. But problem is, I want to do when you reconnect, we do need to auto resupply a function. So when we do connect, broadcast, where is it reconnect? Alright, reconnect right here. Reconnecting and connect. So, and when is connect successfully in open? Now it's connect. And this dot either reconnecting equal 4, we need to set that, and again this dot connect, no, reconnect, I think it should be reconnect function. This dot is a reconnecting equal 4, one again for cloud. This dot is a reconnecting equal 4. Okay, so now like one again, I want to make another test. Now refresh this. We see a connect to the server side. I want to stop. Now again, I want to stop on the server. We should see a new method reconnecting. Now clear up my console. We should see a new method reconnecting every forever. Now again, now start the server side. We should see connect. Right, time. Yeah, we will see a connect to the server. Time to an object is not longer unusable. Okay, so maybe a problem is we do send a message. This dot send. It send a message too early when the socket is not ready. Like we need to take a WebSocket state. For example, WebSocket state in document of we should see WebSocket state ready state. We need to take the ready state equal number 2. Okay, right. I think just ready state equal right. Ready state equal number 0 open equal to close to right. So I think we need to take a ready state equal number 1 and to sending any, but for now it's work. Okay, so it worked, but we can do later. Now we can call window.public ps.public to abc and the method hi there, and the problem it doesn't work because we don't have any automatically resupply a function. So we do need to make a new, so we do need to do each listener and our subscription subscription. So we do like this by this underscore subscription equal should be an array. Okay, so like that. And we got subscription. And when we are going to call this to subscription, we need to make to this. Now let's store it into subscription for later when user reconnect, and we need to run a query to subscribe right again. So what happened? This dot subscription dot put. The first thing I'm going to watch to do put equal topic should be a topic equal topic. This topic parameter keeps later. Topic and callback function should be equal cb. If cb, cb and otherwise no. Okay, like that. So we got a subscription into an array, and now we put this. When we got a reconnect successfully, okay. Alright, so when is a reconnect, and we call reconnect and connect successfully. We run the query, and now we do need to run a query. Again, run a query subscription. But I can do like this. Oh, I think we can make a new function to do is better like connect. Okay, let's do it. Dot run it dot our reconnect. Right, run subscription. Run subscription. Okay, so we'll make this function now. Reconnect to the dot run screen. Go it by this. Run require. Run require. Dot by this. Okay, let's copy the function name. I think it should be add this a bit lower require. Let's auto subscribe again. Now let's do it by if this dot subscription dot length, and we can loop through this dot subscription dot for each and subscription. Okay, so now we do by call this subscribe the topic equals subscription dot topic and callback cb equal subscription dot cb subscription dot cb, and otherwise keep is no, so cb is callback. Okay, subscription dot callback. Now we make a chat again. The first thing we do need to refresh this. Subscription dot listener. So what happened? Dot subscribe topic. Okay, so the first thing we do need to refresh. I want to check make sure what is the bug for now. Me2 subscription on methods. Okay, so let's do. Oh my god, so it should be this subscribe and then add this is not good. I think we can do by call this. If we call this, it will be run every time. Sub require it's call this is it should be loop forever. Requisite dot send is topic equals subscription dot topic. Okay, so callback. I don't think we do need callback. Again, now refresh again. Cool, it worked. The first thing I'm going to do equal let's stop the server side, and the server is reconnect forever. And you know we are subscribing a new topic to the ABC, and now once again I want to start the server back, and we should see a new message in the connect. Okay, so it's a connect to the server. It worked, but somehow it call back. Okay, this is clear up the console, and now I'm going to do equal refresh in my Chrome, you should see the same method. This means it's automatically supplied to the server side. And again, clear up the console. I want to do is send public ABC. Now hello there. So you should see a new method right here. It's automatically reconnect. Now again, I want to stop the server. You see on Chrome is a call reconnect. We may do implement a number of reconnect time. For example, if it's a connect for more than 10 times, we stop it. Now again, now server run back. Reconnecting. Okay, this connect to the server. It works. But on Chrome, you see it. Now it's refreshed. So problem is reconnecting. So what happened right here? On Chrome it doesn't work, but on Firefox it works. So we do need to verify what happened. Okay, so on reconnect, on call reconnect, it's reconnecting equal on call. We call to reconnect if it's a reconnect and reconnecting or return. And on open, reconnecting equal 4 and connect equal 2. Now 4. Let's see what happened on code. So Chrome is run forever. So problem right invalid state. So I'm going to implement this function to by the send in WebSocket.ready state on the send message. If is a connect and this.wadd.ready state equal number 1. So it may be sent to the server. Now we need to quit the Chrome. Problem is I can't quit Chrome. It's loop forever. The problem. Now we need to quit Chrome. Again, now I'm on Firefox. Now we disconnect it. Now it's run forever. Reconnecting. Should see again for reconnecting. And now let's run again. It's connect to the server. It's connect, but multiple times. Now I'm trying to send hello there. You should see she should work. But why we connect to the server multiple times? Because we are implement on both arrow and cloud. So I think we don't need to implement on cloud. Just connect on cloud, just on arrow. So now let's see again. Refresh this and stop the server side. Now connect in color. Oh my. Bạn đang bận nha, rồi đi ra chơi đi hỉ. Bạn đang bận việc nha, cha đi ra ngoài chơi đi nha. I'm sorry, so my kids is looking for me to play with him. Okay, get back. So problem is the connection is a cloud call when the server is a disconnect. So disconnected. Okay, so what we need to do? I think we can do implement on arrow. we may need to implement bot reconnect. If reconnect, we call this we can call it multiple times. It reconnect equal 4 and reconnect equal 2. Now I'm thinking to make it. Okay, so for now let's keep it, and I will to take a look at another idea later to make if we call this connect and then cannot connect reconnect anymore, and reconnecting and connect, recall to connect. Now again, now should see, refresh the browser and connection is called co, and again start server. Again we should see connect to multiple times, but it works. 1, 2, now let's open up the Google Chrome. Restore console, and now we can do by broadcast. Should be ABC. Now it's work. One again, should see that. And on send public to Raj. Hi Google Chrome. Should see hi Google Chrome right here. And we need to broadcast hi Firefox. Should see Firefox is work. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in next video. Bye.